Good morning. Welcome everyone to Occam's Razors Gardening, Cooking, and Canning. Well, it's another growth review on the garden. Looking at the berry bush in the backyard. Oh my, look at the size of this weed. Gotta get in there and pull these out. Some morning lemon, there we go. Well, the potatoes are doing just fantastic in the compost pile. It's far better than everywhere else. It just shows you how many nutrients are right here, right? There we go. Look at you guys. It's about ready to burst soon. Now, I'll have to get in there, start trimming off some of that bottom tomato plant. And same with that one. I don't want those bottom shoots to get disease. Meanwhile, all the other pepper plants getting used to their new home. Yep, doesn't look like a sunflower is going to come up there at all. But over here. Nope, nothing there. Okay. Well, a little more munching on this poor plant here. It's not too bad though, compared to what's going on with the beans. These are all coming up. And our sage is just about to flower soon. Oh, look, these are just starting to unravel. Yep. Oh, look at you, eh? Alright, peas. You kind of have to make your way over here. Now, the corner squashes. Yeah. All right. Should be some rain next handful of days. Not today. Maybe tonight. Then maybe tomorrow. Then definitely a couple of days after that. Now here in our area in Quinte West, we're expecting some haze to be caused by the forest fires out west. Same thing that happened last year, same thing that happened the year before. Well, last year was a little more extra haze. All depends on the wind currents. And our onions are doing just fine. Let's look at our potatoes. Now this big old potato bush right here, this potato was planted about the same time those other ones were tossed into the compost pile. Other than that, they're all just slowly coming up. And our peas hopefully will start producing in a week. Ah, hate that. I hate getting bit by a mosquito. Side of the hand. Ah, it's so itchy. All right. Well, maybe we should get a hold of some comfrey and just plant this back here. Yes, comfrey. An old world vegetable that nobody harvests anymore. My God. Well, everything's slowly coming up, except where it's getting eaten by the bugs. All right, let's go in the front and have a look. Then we can wrap this up for today. All right, we'll see you in the front. Oh, can you ever smell the flowers this morning? Oh yeah. Still not much more growth on these 3 sunflowers from yesterday. At least you're still living. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything. Well, I'm gonna have to try to reseed a couple of pumpkins today because I've only had three come up. I'd like to at least have 2 more squashes come up in the front beds. Yeah. Morning glories, all in their glory. And the birdshit berry bush, attracting a lot of workers. Wow, look at all these berries. I'm going to be so busy. All right, another overnight growth. I spend more time doing these videos than I do working on the garden. All right, we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.